In this video, I am going to show you how to uninstall Drupal from cPanel, and I'll specifically show you how to uninstall Drupal from the GoDaddy cPanel. Coming up. Hello guys, this is Sonic here at Dikupages Web, where I do web tutorials just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. That said, let's jump into the video. Go to the cPanel. Take note there's a website which is already running on the domain name. So what we need to do is uninstall that particular website. They are actually using the Drupal content management system. So I'll show you how to uninstall Drupal. So to uninstall Drupal, I scroll down to web applications, and this is the website right here, and you can see the Drupal logo. So you can either click on it from here, or you go ahead and click on Drupal right here. Whichever way, it will all take you to the same location. So I click on Drupal. This is the overview of the Drupal content management system. To uninstall, I go to applications. But before I do that, I'll have to select it. Then I click on uninstall. So I need to confirm by clicking on uninstall again. And uninstall is in process. Okay, it is uninstalled, and you see that my applications I now have 0 there. I can also go ahead and remove the backups. So I select it and I click on delete. Delete again to confirm. So we are done with the uninstallation. So I go back to cPanel dashboard, scroll down. So under web application, you see that the website is being removed from here. Now let me go and refresh the website to see what will happen. Okay, so this is what you see because the website is being removed. So now I'll exit out of here and here as well. So that's it on how to uninstall Drupal from the GoDaddy cPanel. I hope this video was helpful. If you found value, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and also enable the notification bell so that you won't miss out on future videos. Keep watching, and I will see you in the next one.